In a small, colorful village, a curious little girl named Lily ventures into her grandmother's attic and discovers an old, enchanted paintbrush. Covered in dust and cobwebs, the paintbrush seems ordinary at first glance, but Lily's eyes glimmer with curiosity when she notices it sparkles faintly in the light. Without a second thought, she grabs some paper and begins to paint. To her astonishment, as soon as she strokes the paper, her drawings shoot off the page and transform into real, tangible objects. Excitement bubbling inside her, Lily wastes no time painting everything her vivid imagination can conjure. She creates flying ponies that soar through the skies, talking flowers that chat merrily with the villagers, and rainbow waterfalls that cascade joyfully through the town square. The village, once tranquil, bursts with magic and wonder. Yet, the paintbrush seems to have a mind of its own. One afternoon, as Lily dreams up a fantastical land filled with dancing trees and giggling clouds, the paintbrush lifts off the table and whizzes around the room. It begins creating things on its own, things Lily hadn't even imagined. Before she knows it, giant cookies tumble down the hills, playfully bouncing towards the village, and the local park's trees start dancing a jig, their roots tapping rhythmically on the ground. At first, the villagers are delighted by the whimsical surprises, but soon the chaos mounts. A troop of penguins waddles through the marketplace, accidentally toppling over stalls. A dragon made of marshmallows swoops through the streets, its sugary breath filling the air with sticky sweetness. Lily realizes she needs to regain control before the entire village turns into a wild, living cartoon. Rallying her friends, they brainstorm how to get the mischievous paintbrush back in check.